What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Dawhenya, and here we are about to fix our electric fence in this beautiful house. In fact, we even started already, so it's going down. We'll be very excited as usual to show you the very final work. And if you have any project for us, whether you're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, Cape Coast, Winneba, any part of Ghana, make sure you give us a call. If you are outside Ghana too, make sure you call the numbers on the screen or WhatsApp us. We're very excited to come your site and then make sure we provide all we call security with beauty. So hey, as usual, we're going to show you the final work. Let's go.